The sentencing under the Prevention of Corruption Act is expected shortly. Jayalalithaa 66 now stands to lose the Chief Minister post, a blow to her party and a boost for rival DMK in the run-up to the 2016 Tamil Nadu Assembly elections. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalithaa was convicted of corruption in an 18-year-old disproportionate assets case by a court in Bangalore on Saturday, leaving her AIADMK party stunned and casting a massive shadow on her political future. Special Judge John Michael D'Souza also convicted Jayalalitha's close aide Sasikala Natarajan, her niece Ilavarasi, and her nephew and the Chief Minister's disowned foster son Sudhakaran. They were found guilty of acquiring 66.65 crore worth of assets by corrupted means between 1991 and 1996 during Jayalalitha's first tenure as CM. The verdict was delivered at a court in the Parappara Agrahana prison complex in the presence of Jayalalithaa and other accused. If the judge sentences her to imprison for a period not less than 2 years, the AIADMK leader will stand disqualified immediately from the assembly and may have to step down as Chief Minister. Jayalalithaa had to quit as Chief Minister immediately after her oath taking in 2001 following the Supreme Court declaring null and avoid the action of the then Governor Fatima Beevi appointing her as a CM, as she had been sentenced to 2 years rigorous imprisonment in a corruption case. The perception in the AIADMK is that O Panneerselvam, who is known for his loyalty to Amma, could be asked to act as Chief Minister again. In September 2001, when the Apex Court had set aside Jayalalitha's appointment, she had installed Panneerselvam. But a section of party leaders also indicated that she would favor a non-politician this time to keep the seat warm till her return. Meanwhile, tension gripped Tamil Nadu and bordering areas with Karnataka following the verdict. In February 2000, 3 students from Tamil Nadu Agricultural University were burnt alive after AIADMK functionaries set ablaze a bus following Jayalalitha's conviction in other case. Protesters burnt effigies of DMK President M. Karunanidhi, his sons M.K. Stalin and M.K. Algari, and tore party posters in various places including in Chennai and Madurai. DMK and AIADMK supporters clashed at some places. A state-owned transport corruption bus was set on fire at Vipur village and some 20 buses damaged in stone pelting in Kudlar district, police said. The disproportionate assets case was filed by the vigilance wing of the Tamil Nadu police in 1996 during the tenure of the DMK government headed by M. Karunanidhi, known as Jayalalitha's arch rival. Appearing before the court 4 times in connection with the case, Jayalalithaa has answered 1,339 questions in closed-door hearing, during which she has maintained that the case was politically motivated and fabricated at the instance of her rival DMK. Controversy also swirled around the case after Karnataka Advocate General B.V. Acharya quit as special public prosecutor and Bhavani Singh came in his place. Questions were raised in the Supreme Court over appointment of Singh also. The Karnataka government has so far spent 2.86 crore on playing host to the case, according to documents obtained by an RTI activist. The AIADMK can challenge the verdict in the Karnataka High Court, as it was the appropriate body that had set up the special court to conduct trial in the assets case that was shifted to Bangalore from Chennai, fearing interference from Jayalalithaa.